In today's video, I'm going to teach you Enable Split Screen in Microsoft. Edge Browser New Feature, Windows 11, Updated 2026 Full Guide. Let's get right into it. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. You'll be working inside a single Edge window the entire time, and everything we do will happen right from the built-in menus and toolbar, so you won't need any extra tools. Look to the top right corner of Edge and click the three dots, also known as the Settings and More menu. This opens a long drop-down with options you use every day. Scroll through that menu and look for the split screen option. If you see it, click it to turn the feature on for your current window. Depending on your version of Edge, the wording may be slightly different, but it will clearly reference split screen. If it isn't listed, the feature may not be available on your build yet. Once it rolls out to your device, it will appear in this same menu. With split screen available, open any tab you want to work in. Maybe your email, a document, or a news site. Now find the split screen icon in the Edge toolbar. It typically looks like a rectangle divided into two panels. Click that icon and Edge will split your window into two side-by-side views. On the right side, you'll be prompted to pick what to display. You can choose an existing tab from the list Edge shows, or simply open a new website in that panel by typing into the address bar on that side. The goal is to have two different pages visible at the same time, so you can read on one side and reference or take action on the other. Next, customize the layout so it's comfortable to use. Move your cursor over the divider in the middle. When it changes to a resize handle, click and drag left or right to give more space to the page that needs it. Each panel scrolls independently, has its own address bar focus, and responds to clicks and keystrokes when it's active. Just click inside a side to make it active, then navigate, copy, or type as you normally would. This makes it easy to compare two articles, cross-check information, or drag content between web apps that support it. That's all there is to it. Open Edge, turn on split screen from the three dots menu, click the split screen icon in the toolbar, choose your second tab, or open a new site, and adjust the divider to fit your workflow. With those steps, you can multitask smoothly in a single window and stay focused without constantly switching tabs.